is a Thumler's Tumbler A-R1. It's a single barrel, 3-pound tumbler. Picked up in a state sale for $12. Missing the belt. Has the barrel and all that. I've already cleaned it, washed it. Barrel off to the side here. You can see the rollers are all chewed up. So what we're going to do is replace the rollers and get this thing back working, and the belt. Alright, so what I'm going to use for this to replace the rollers is going to be fuel line. This is 5/16 inch diameter fuel line, about 1 foot of it from AutoZone. It was $2.99. Also bought some of these self-locking shaft retainers, 5/16 from Ace Hardware. They were 33 cents a piece. I bought 4 of them. Should only need 2 at the worst case, but I got all 4. Alright, so I'm going to start with the idler shaft, and first thing we're going to do is cut a piece of rubber. I'm going to make the rubber straight, so we're going to measure it. I need 4.5 inches. Cut it right at 4.5 inches. There we go. And that'll fit that. Now I'll remove the one shaft. Okay, these things will be messy to remove. That's why you bought replacement ones. There we go. And it flew across the room, so I don't have to worry about it anymore. This guy's got a shaft retainer on it too. Try and get under it. And sometimes you just clip the edge and peel it right off because we got spares. Pop that off. All right. Now we're going to take a knife and we're just going to cut this. So I assume it's glued. Maybe not. It's just stuck on there with age. Pop those suckers off. I'll leave this side alone because this side's actually made so it's over a little bit, and that's so it keeps the barrel from rubbing on the actual large pulley. So leave that side alone. Let's see how well this stays on. Yep. Not going to need adhesive for that. So just put it back together the way we had it. Go grab the proper tool, which is going to be a deep-hole socket. Stick around like that. And gently tap till it goes on. And put it down until it goes home. There we go. It's on there now. Put the bearing back on. Put the bearing retainer on. Their special tool. You'll feel it slip on when it's on there. Get that on just a little bit tight. Let's see if we can pop it off just a wee bit. There we go. Alright, so these little caps have a different design on them. And I did not like the way that this one's digging into the actual bearing. So I'm just going to remove it, and we're just going to leave it off on this one. Alright, yeah, that's a waste, but that's what it is. All right. That turns a lot better. All right, that shaft's done. All right, so we're going to do the same thing on this shaft here. So first thing we're going to do is measure this. So that's 4 3/4. Scrap. All right, let's go ahead and remove this one. Pop it off. Take the bearing. The old stuff. All right. Shove this back on. All right, so we're stuck. All right, so we got some rust on this. Let's just shine this up with some 150 grit sandpaper. That's not going to hurt anything. Now let's see what we can get on. Yep. Make sure you got a little wiggle room in there for that to turn. This guy on. Snap another one of these guys on. This one I left pretty loose the way I got it. I don't know if it needs to be loose, but I'm just going to leave it loose. That turns, that one turns. Okay, so let's put this thing back together. I notice this one's got the wider side. Should be on this side here. Let's put that in there. She's rolling. I got a new belt out. Got these from Amazon. 3-pack of belts is like $12. tighten that up. Yep. Too tight. Okay, so I had to make a mechanical adjustment of that, so it's in there pretty good now. It's not square, but that's okay. There we go. One thing I noticed is this is off. This alignment is off, so I'm going to release that set screw and adjust it over. Looks pretty good. All right, let's put that bell down there. All right. Let's plug her in and see what happens. Okay, I finally got this thing running good. It took a little bit of massaging. I did have to take 80 grit sandpaper to the drive roller here. Give it a little more grip. It just takes a little bit of the shine off that. This rear shaft must rotate extremely freely, otherwise it will stop the barrel. Once you fix that problem, it'll go. You can buy rebuilt shafts. It's, I think, 11 bucks for this one, 8 bucks for that one, and they come pre-built. If you want to try and save some money like I did and get it up and running, and you can. Basically, I bought the Tumbler for 12 bucks. Belt was 4. The little clips, which I used pretty much 4 of them, and the gas pipe, the fuel line. That cost me about another $4, so for say $22, under $25, I've got a working rock tumbler, and I'll probably put some rocks in it. I just have rocks in it right now that it's dry, and just running it to show that it works. And then I will try a batch, see how it comes out, and I will probably get rid of this tumbler because it's a single barrel tumbler and I don't need it. I've got a dual barrel tumbler. So thanks for watching my video.